Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the order of products in Shopify. This is really useful when you want to control exactly how your products appear to customers, putting your best sellers or featured items right at the top where they'll get the most attention. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Shopify dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your store. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Products and right underneath that option you'll see Collections. Go ahead and click on Collections. This is where you'll organize your products into groups and control how they're displayed. Now, you'll want to click on Add Collection. This creates a new collection where you can manually arrange your products. After clicking it, you'll be prompted to give your collection a title. Choose something descriptive that makes sense for the products you're grouping together. Next, look for the collection type setting and make sure to select Manual. This is crucial because it gives you full control over which products appear in this collection and in what order. Now, scroll down to the Products section and click on Browse. This opens up your product library where you can select the items you want to add to this collection. Find the products whose order you want to adjust, select them, and then click Add. This brings those products into your new collection. After adding your products, look for the Sort option from the drop-down menu. Make sure to select Manual. This setting is what allows you to drag and drop products into your preferred order rather than having them sorted automatically by price, date, or alphabetically. Once you've configured everything, click Save at the top of the page. This button ensures all your settings are locked in and your collection is created. Give it a moment to process and save all the changes. After the collection has saved, now comes the fun part. You can manually rearrange the order of your products. Simply click on the dots on the left side of each product. These dots indicate that the item can be dragged. Hold down your mouse button and drag the product up or down to wherever you want it to appear in the collection. This gives you complete control over the presentation of your products. And that's it. You've successfully changed the order of products in Shopify by creating a manual collection and arranging them exactly how you want. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.